Good day, everyone. I'm Denver Ongangad from Datbat2B. Today, I will discuss a globalization. I'll begin by defining what globalization means using the definition provided in our module, along with some additional research. Then, I'll try to explain both the positive and negative effect of globalization and how they impact our world today. Okay. Definition of globalization. Globalization refers to the process of increased interconnectedness and interdependence of the world economies, culture, and population, brought about by cross-border trade in goods and services, technology and flows of investment, people, and information. According to the module, globalization involved the expansion and intensification of social relationship and consciousness across world time and world space. It is characterized by integration of national economies into the international economy through trade, foreign direct investment, capital flow, migration, and the spread of technology. So this is the positive effect of globalization. Number one is economic growth and development. Globalization opens up market, increases trade, and allow countries to access a broader range of goods and services. It can stimulate economic growth and reduce poverty, especially in developing nations. And second one is access to technology and innovation. Through globalization, countries can share and access new technologies and innovation, improving productivity and quality of life. And third one is culture exchange. Globalization promote cultures understanding and exchange it encourage diversity, tolerance, and awareness of global issues through media, travel, and communication. And lastly is job opportunities. Multi Multinational companies often create employment opportunities in various regions, particularly in developing our economy. Okay? So, next one is the negative effect naman ng globalization. Number one is economic inequality. While globalization can boost economies, it can also widen the gap between rich and poor. Wealth and benefit are not always inequality distributed. And second one is loss of cultural identity. The dominance of Western culture can lead to the erosion of local cultures, language, and tradition. And lastly is environment degradation. Increases production and transpiration contribute to environment issues such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. And that's all. Thank you so much.